Choo-choo. It's a beautiful day for always at Sodor Raceway. Look, there's Edward and James.
Edward the Steady is at the ready. I'm James. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor.
Everyone is here to watch the fastest trains in Sodor. The mini trains, the Tsum Tsums, and our friends from college here. First up, we have Gordon and Spencer. They've been rivals for a very long time. Let's see if Gordon can beat out Spencer today. Next up, we have James and Thomas. Thomas is a crowd favorite here on Sodor. Thomas beats James. Spencer and Thomas are in the finals. This is going to be a very close race. Thomas wins! Thomas is the fastest engine on Sodor. Thanks for watching. Please try.